Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. This is where you can get the wiper motor replacement. The wiper motor is located all the way in the bottom here. All the way in the bottom there, you see here. That's the wiper motor. We have only one speed. In order for us to replace it for the Honda CRV, we have to take all this stuff out. The connector is here. Just this idea. If you need to replace it or anything, or it doesn't work fine, this is how it look like. You have to replace. You have to take all this. This is the older one. This is a little bit expensive, almost $140 or $30. And that's where you can get it to be done in case it's not good. But don't forget to move all this stuff. Yes, it's a lot of it, and that's for your safety. It is not something that is all the way. Tu vas tester ça avant de mettre tout ça. Parce que parfois là, ça va gauche droite. Ok, here is this. Tu as enlevé ça? Tu as ouvert ça?
Oui.
Now we're gonna test it. Before we have only one speed. Yeah, that's it. One speed. That's it. Faster. Yeah, arrête. Again. Arrête. Non, pas le contact. Arrête sur le switch, n'est-ce pas? Encore. 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 Non, arrêtez complètement. Peut-être il y a quelque chose qui n'est pas bon, parce que ça arrête à haut ici. Vérifiez, mettez-le, regarde.
Non, ça c'est pas bien, je peux régler ça.
Tu vas enlever ça donc.
Je vais enlever ça.
Ok, il paraît que, regarde, il arrête ici. Regarde, encore, fais ça. Arrête. Arrête. Ça arrête à haut. Ok. So it's stopped in the top, so maybe you have to be fixed. Thank you.